Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the second question of exercise 12.1. So it says a tree was broken due to a storm and the broken part bends so the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30-degree angle with the ground. So let's assume that initially tree was like this and it got broken in some, let's say, this point due to the storm, and it's saying that let this be A and B, and the let us say that point it broken is C. Okay, so it's saying the top of the tree which got broken touches the ground by making 30-degree angle with the ground. So this AC part is touching with the ground and it is making 30-degree angle with the ground. Okay, next, the distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree is 6 meters. So this point, this is 6 meters. So this be A dash, since it's also the same as A. Now they are telling to find the height of the tree before falling down. So they want us to find the length of AB, which is equal to AC plus CB, and AC is equal to A dash C plus CB. So if we find the lengths of A dash B and CB, and if we add them both, we'll get the length of AB. So next, we can see that A dash CB is right angled at B, and 6 meters with respect to 30 degrees is adjacent side, and if I want to find CB length, it's opposite side. So the trigonometric ratio which has adjacent side and opposite side is tan. So tan 30 is equal to CB opposite side by adjacent side A dash B, and tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, and CB is what we need to find, and A dash B is equal to 6. So from this we'll get CB. If I bring this 6 to the left hand side, it's 6 by root 3, and if I rationalize the denominator by multiplying root 3 and denominator, both numerator and denominator, I would get 6 root 3 by root 3 times root 3 is equal to 3. 3 2s are 6. So this would be 2 root 3. So we find the length of CB. Next we need to find the length of A dash B. In the right angle triangle, A dash B is a hypotenuse. So we have adjacent side and hypotenuse, which is the trigonometric ratio which has both adjacent side and hypotenuse. We have cos. So cos 30 is equal to adjacent A dash B by hypotenuse is A dash C. So cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to A dash B equal to 6, and we need to find the length of A dash C. So if I cross multiply both sides, I would get root 3 into A dash C is equal to 12. From this I would get A dash C is equal to 12 by root 3. And similarly, if I rationalize the denominator by multiplying root 3 in numerator and denominator, I would get 12 root 3 by 3, and 3 4s are 12. Therefore, the length of A dash C, we got it as 4 root 3. Therefore, the length of tree, the height of tree, HAGH, height of tree is equal to AB, which is equal to CB plus A dash C, which is 2 root 3 plus 4 root 3 is equal to 6 root 3. Since they gave the measurements in meters, the adjacent side to 30 degrees they gave in meters, our answer will also be in meters. Therefore, the height of tree is 6 root 3 meters. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe for the next one. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.